Hello, this evening I want to talk about behavior change. Several times this week I've talked about change with people, and I think about the whole pendulum thing. Sometimes when you're making a change, I say let that pendulum swing too far, make a big change, and then if it has to settle back, you can settle it back. For example, in a business, when a business starts tracking KPIs, a lot of times I recommend to choose more KPIs than you think you need, learn from them, see what you learn from tracking each number, and then you can pull back instead of slowly, gradually tracking one more thing and one more thing and one more thing. Go too far, then come back. I wanted to start waking up earlier. This is a personal example. Instead of going to bed at from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m., I started going to bed at 8:30, waking up at 3:30 in the morning, and even when it goes poorly and I stay up late, I'm going to bed at 9:30. Or even when I sleep in, I'm still up before 4:30 in the morning. So, and that came because I kind of just swung too wide. I didn't say I'm going to start going to bed 15 minutes earlier, because then, you're still a wreck. You go to bed at 10, things happen, you're not to bed till 10:30. When you're trying to go to bed an hour and a half earlier, even when you mess up, you're still to bed 30 minutes before you ever did before. So when thinking about a behavior change, just consider, how could I let the pendulum swing a little too far and then settle back? So what's the big change that I can make? Think about it.